If you head over to etsy.com and search for something like map first date, here you can find tons of these amazing creative ideas of this amazing digital product regarding dates, weddings, and much more. So here you can find for sure either physical and digital products. And if we are gonna focus only on the digital products, here you can go show filters and refine to digital downloads only. That's it. And here you can find amazing and popular creative digital downloads here for this amazing and happy anniversary or the first date where we met first and so on. So people are hungry to actually purchase this amazing digital product as you see. And for sure also if you just type on the Etsy search bar like map wedding gift, here you can find the most stunning results as you see, digital and physical products. So now in this video I'm going to show you in tutorial how you can actually create these such beautiful maps and how you can customize it to purchase as digital download on Etsy.com, or you can provide as a freelancer to your audience like a professional. So follow me in this video step by step and for sure completely for free. First of all, just head over to this awesome website that is terrank.app. Here, if you just know this amazing website before, just let me know in the comments. Anyway, here in this amazing website enables you to actually create and gives you the exact map of your town and your city as you want, just in a matter of seconds. Or even better, here you can just activate this option, get my location. So for example, I can actually go to type a city or place and I can type something like New York, New York, and here for sure you can find many of these examples. If there are many cities that have the same name, so just you can New York is the United States, so click over this one and okay. And just in 2 seconds here you can find your map ready as you see for this specific city, the New York in the United States, as you observe. Awesome, isn't it? Perfect. And the best here, you can actually go to the left panel and here you can find the theme. Here you can change the theme or the color palette used in this amazing map. So for sure we can make it like this one or this one, okay, or neon, coral, and much more, burby, sag, copper, rustic, and much more. Beautiful. Perfect combination of these colors to clarify your own map for your own digital download. So we can go back again like this one, okay, or this. Perfect. And even we can have a control of the layout. You can make it like an AI portrait, A3, A4, Instagram portrait like this one, Instagram square. So you can actually customize the dimensions or the size of your own digital download or this map as you want. You can make it LinkedIn post, perfect. Okay, Pinterest pin, Reddit banner, Twitter header, and so on. So we can make it as first A3 portrait. And for style here, you can actually add something in your own map. Like for sure here you can just change this New York City to actually any quote, any popular quote, or any romantic quote or words for this wedding date or the first date or the first place we met and so on. So for sure if we can actually change this New York word to where it all began. So here as you see it's awesome one, and for sure you can change this United States to anything you want. Like you can keep it like can make it a New York, okay, beside New York like this one, or you can go more specific more and just just name a park or a restaurant or a cafe as you want. And for sure you can find many of these customization tools, like you can change this font as you want. Awesome, isn't it? Perfect. Okay, and here you can just post our text, or you can remove it, overlay as you see. And here you can go to this layers, and here you can actually just choose what you want to show up here in this amazing map. It could be show water, parks, roads, rail stations, airways, and so on. So if you just want to show buildings, you can just check it on like this. But it's better to be more aesthetic and more beautiful, just uncheck, okay, as default. And here we can change the distance of this map taken, so we can make it higher or more or much closer. So we can just change like this one to increase the distance as you see. Okay, and here you can go to the funny part here in this amazing website, that is going to markers. Here you can actually add something that specify your own place. So here you can add your markers like this one, bin, heart, home, square, circle, and much more of these icons as you see. So for sure we can answer something like bin, okay, as you see. And of course we are gonna actually change the customize this icon. Go to edit markers, and here we can select this one and make it a size bigger, smaller. You can even change its color to make it red, and so on and so forth. Done as you see. So you can change around your own map to specify your location and your place, like this one for sure. Okay, and so on. And even better, you can go to done and go to this gear icon to customize all icons you're gonna add to this map. So you can make it default to be red, okay, and make it the size bigger. Done. So even if you can add anything else like a home or circle, or even you can actually upload your own marker from any external website you love. So for example, if I just go to actually websites out there, publicdomainvectors.org, here you can find tons of these amazing free vectors and illustrations commercially and personal use, like heart, okay, and okay, and you can find up to 30 of these graphics. So I can pick one of these one, like this one for sure, and download. Then go back to our map here and upload like this, and for sure to edit, select it, and here you can select anything you want here like this. And for sure you can edit your map as you want to actually just make zoom in, zoom out as you want for the whole map. And you're happy with this result. It's time now to download this romantic map to your device. Just go to download option, and here you can find three different options: PNG or PDF or RSVG. So you can go to PNG and download it to your device completely for free. Then it's time now to upload on Etsy shop, or you can promote your own service on Instagram, LinkedIn as you want. So it's better for you to actually show people examples of your maps here with different amazing anniversary dates, with amazing romantic quotes and words. So you can find huge amazing traffic that would request for you this order as digital download and customizable digital product. So, and for sure, if you want to know more ways and tips and tricks how you can promote your digital product and get your consistent sales in a short period, I just jot down all my own notes, tips and tricks in my own system, DigiPlaybook, the framework and the system I walk through to get my own sales of my digital products. So you can find this link down below in the first comment and description box. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.